This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust 2007 Tacoma headlights. Park on level ground 25 feet from a wall and mark headlight center height on that wall. Turn off daytime running lights and raise the hood to access the headlight assembly. Inspect the lens for damage and the mounting for loose bolts. Prepare your screwdriver or socket to turn the vertical and horizontal adjusters during aiming. Begin by opening the hood and locating the vertical and horizontal adjuster screws on the headlight housing. Remove any plastic covers or trim pieces that block access, and ensure wiring connectors are secure. Turn the adjusters in small increments, then step back to check beam position on the wall at 25 feet. Repeat until the cutoff hits the horizontal mark and the brightest spot lines up with the vertical mark. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick up Darn Tough socks for lifetime comfort, great fit, and a lifetime warranty that feels like a solid upgrade. They pair perfectly with hands-on garage work and long drives. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Watch out for common mistakes like aiming on a hill, using high beams, or adjusting with damaged bulbs. Always aim with the truck loaded as you typically drive, or simulate weight for realistic beam height. Make small, measured turns on the adjusters and allow time between tweaks to verify changes. If the pattern looks scattered, inspect lens clarity and reflector condition before continuing with precise alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.